Get paid passively with these brand new apps that I'll share with you in today's video. It is absolutely free to join them and they pay you in PayPal money. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below to ask me any question, and also share this video with your friends too. Without any further ado, let's begin with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources, so just stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost or confused. So let me begin with the first source, which is this platform here called Money SMS. This is over at HoneySMSapp.com. As you can see, this is a free Android app that enables you to make money automatically and passively by just receiving some SMS that are generated by their system and customers. So I'm going to explain it to you step by step. First of all, you're going to see that it only works on Android because only Android allows apps to access SMS. You can earn money online by passive income actually, and also for absolutely free because this app is free, and it's also secure because they do not get access to your own test SMS or they do not use any of your data, so don't worry about that. You can see that once you're going to install it, you can start receiving test SMS and you're going to get paid for that. Also, they offer a referral program if you want to bring new members to this platform and earn 30% from their earnings. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you can download the APK, and you can also go over to APK installation to see how you can do that, or even to instructions. So you can see here that the first step is to sign up once you download and install the APK, and you need to keep the internet running on your phone. Then you're going to receive those test SMS. You're going to get paid automatically like 2 cents per each SMS. Of course, it is not a lot of money, but once you reach €2 you can cash out, and of course you don't need to do anything at all. You just need to download the app and that's it. You can see also some other features as well. Here, for example, they pay you through PayPal money, also Skrill, web money, and cryptocurrency as well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can see here the reason what you are getting paid. So telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send these SMS test messages to foreign countries so they can verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS, and you're going to help them with this part because you're going to just download this app and then you're going to receive those SMS once you create your account over there. This is a legit platform, and I highly recommend that you even check out rankings, reviews, their privacy policy, and so on if you want to be more sure. And also you can just see this help center here so you can learn more about some other things as well. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. This is over at MoneySMSapp.com. Let me proceed to the second platform for today, which is called HoneyGain, and this is over at HoneyGain.com. You can make money in passive income and effortlessly as well. So you can see that with this platform you can make money by simply sharing an internet connection. As you can see, you can check out some reviews on Trustpilot. They have more than 8,000 of reviews, and this is a verified company with 4.5 stars. So most of the people have rated it as excellent. So you're going to make money by just sharing your internet connection. And this is an easy way to earn money in passive income because you don't need to do anything at all. You can earn without compromising your security because they ensure you that the internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and they do not gain access to the storage of your device. You're going to know exactly what your internet is used for, and you can even click on learn more so you can see all of the needed information. So you can even estimate your earnings over here. It depends also on the amount of traffic that you share on a daily basis. The more you share, the more you can earn, and also the daily content delivery. You can see here that you can make up to $184 per month. Of course, it is not a lot of money, but it's still a good way to earn some extra money by just connecting your internet connection and sharing it with this platform. As you can see, there are some factors that influence how much money you can make, like your location, the number of IP addresses connected, and also your network speed. So there are only 5 steps to HoneyGain, and I'm going to explain to you right now. First of all, you're going to set it up by installing it on any device like Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android. Then you need to run HoneyGain, you're going to just need a stable internet connection, and they're going to share your internet connection by never gaining access to your personal data. You're going to let them gather some bits of information that are publicly available online, and with this you're going to help businesses to use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and so on. And then you're going to get paid from PayPal money and also this other payment method. So even this one pays you in PayPal money. I highly recommend that you give it a try. Just go over to the download section. Here you can see how it's going to work, and you can download it for the device that you are using. You can even register and get $5 bonus, which is a nice addition actually. So this was the second platform for today. I also want to give you an alternative to HoneyGain actually, so you can see which one works best for you. This is called EarnApp, and it's over at earnapp.com. As you can see, you can make passive income from your devices, and they also they offer the same devices as well. You can download it for Windows, iOS, Android, and Linux, and you can see that you can make money in passive income by just sharing your internet connection. You can see that your estimated monthly earnings can be up to $180 per month, and it also depends on the rates from each country. You can check them out over here. All of the countries are available. You can connect more devices to maximize your earnings, as you can see, and your income depends also on the amount of traffic that you're going to be sharing. So of course it's working the same way as HoneyGain, and it's very simple, safe, and you can get paid through PayPal money, but they also offer Amazon gift cards, as you can see. So your data is going to be private. You can even read the privacy policy of this platform, and it's trusted and safe as well. So you can just download it, install it, you can create your account, run it, and get paid again and again. So let me proceed to the fourth platform for today, which is also the last one. This is called CashMagnet, and it's over at CashMagNetApp.com. You can make money from your Android phone. All you need to do is to just download this platform. They are doing all of the hard work for you. As you can see, you just don't need to do anything. You can just open the internet connection, and that's it. They pay you through PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, and some other gift cards as well. It's absolutely safe, and they do not steal any of your data. You can read their privacy policy as well. And I want to show you something else, how it works. Of course, this platform allows you to earn extra income while you are not using your phone, because once you are going to run the app, they are going to just start to install some trusted games, to visit some safe sites, to click on banners, to view some ads, and so on. So you don't need to do anything. They are going to do this by themselves. And if you want to use your phone, you can even stop the program and you can use it by yourself. But also I highly recommend that you open this app during the night when you are sleeping and you are not using your phone, or if you have like a spare phone that you do not use, you can just connect and install this app. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.